Hello everyone, I am Uday Datrak. In my previous lesson, we would have seen the precautions and warning section, like what all the important steps you need to follow while doing the security testing of any web application. It is highly illegal to perform security testing on any website without permission from the owner and may land you in a jail for at least 10 years. So subscribe to my channel guys. So I'll be uploading at least daily one video on security testing. So today what we do is we'll try to set up a website on our local machine itself, because as I said, it is illegal to do security testing on any website without permission. So now what we do is we'll try to set up a website and we start practicing on that. The best thing is that you don't even need to have the internet connection to learn security testing on your machine, because you are setting up the website on your local machine itself. Okay, now I'm running on Windows 10 version. Just search for WAMP server download. And you can directly download from here, 64-bit version. I have downloaded. It's around 530 MB. The abbreviation for the WAMP is W as in Windows, A as in Apache. Apache is an HTTP server. So yeah, M as in MySQL database, P as in PHP. So once we install the WAMP server, we'll try to deploy the PHP code within the WAMP server. So PHP is the web application code here. I just started it. It's taking some time to start, because in the background lots of other applications are running, and at the same time I'm also recording the session. Yes, very important step guys. Before installing this WAMP server, you need to go to this website and install all the supported VC++ distributions. You need to download this VC distribution 86, VC distribution 64, and all the links download. Each file is just 1 to 2 MB and you need to extract them, otherwise the WAMP server will not run. It will throw some error like VC runtime error 140, VC runtime 140.dll error kind of thing. So it is very important to download all these libraries one by one, install them, and then try to install the WAMP server. I am installing in the default directory itself, C WAMP64. While installing, you can search for XVWlet download. XVWlet stands for Extremely Vulnerable Web Application. It has got around 30 to 40 security issues like SQL injection, blind SQL injection, persistent cross-site scripting, non-persistent cross-site scripting, DOM-based cross-site scripting, cross-site request forgery, server-side request forgery, PHP object injection, command injection, code injection, local file inclusion, remote file inclusion. So this application has almost all the security issues, But as I said before, I'll be teaching you 100 plus unique security test cases. So we don't have 100 plus unique security issues in particular application. So now in the later sessions, what we do is we try to download the different PHP web applications like online ticketing system, library system, like banking applications. So we set up around 10 different websites on your local machine itself, so that you will be having a chance to practice all security test cases against those web applications. So this application is about installation is about to complete. You need to go here. As soon you open this link, you need to click on clone and you need to download. Right? I downloaded it already. The installation is about to complete in 10 seconds. It has created the shortcut icon here. Ignore the warning. Just double click on this shortcut icon. We got some msvcr110.dll. Ignore that, guys. Ignore that error. We can see the red icon here, the WAMP server icon. It will turn into green, orange, and it turned into green. That means the WAMP is successfully running. If you are coming across any issues, then it won't turn into green color. It will be in red itself. Now go to the browser and write as localhost. http://localhost. Yes, it has shown in the response like WAMP logo. That means the WAMP is successfully installed and running successfully. We don't have any issues. Now we need to extract this XVW, extremely vulnerable web application, and go to the WAMP folder and paste there, so that this PHP code will be executed and you can start browsing the website. We will also do the secure code review in the later stages to identify as many as security issues.